Starlink is quickly becoming an essential piece of gear to have on board. This rail mount is one of the simplest and most secure ways to install your Starlink Mini on a boat. It clamps directly onto the rail, keeps the dish secure while allowing it to clip on and off easily. We'll walk you through the installation process and stick around till the end, where we will show you other mounting solutions for marine applications.
This is our Starlink Mini mount. This one is made for 1-inch bars. So here we're going to mount it. You can invert that by loosening the screw here, and then you pop it, turn it 90 degrees, and for this demonstration purpose, we're going to mount it like this. Forward screw on here. Give a little bit of pressure just to engage the screw. Get your dish.
To remove the dish, simply pull down the center of the lever to disengage the locking clips.
All you need for the install is the M6 Allen keys. And I like to loosen them until the nut is flush here, so it doesn't fall, don't lose any hardware.
These are built with UV-resistant materials and marine-grade stainless steel hardware to handle harsh offshore conditions. An internal liner adds extra grip to keep the mount firmly in place on the rail, while also protecting the stainless steel from scratching. They're available in two sizes to fit standard 1-inch and 7/8 rails. We also offer other mounting solutions for the Starlink Mini, including a hatch mount that keeps the dish inside the boat, and the antenna mount, which threads into a standard 1-inch VHF antenna mount. This one is also available for the Starlink Standard Kit, Gen 3 and Gen 4. You can explore the full Starlink product lineup at stokemanstudios.com.